Hello everybody, this is Evan Rogers coming at you with Evan's Easy Japanese, and I got a few things to mention on Facebook and at my Reddit page, r/EvansEasyJapanese. Links in the doobly-doo. I am doing daily NHK articles, which I don't think I've gotten today's done, so I'll have to do that after this. And also, lots of workbooks and stuff being put up on Patreon and Subscribestar, so go ahead and become a subscribing donator, and I'll be able to keep making these videos. That being said, let's keep on going. This is the JLPT N5 vocabulary test. If I'm not mistaken, this is like video number 77. I think the number is 77, but I think there's actually been more. And there's an entire another JLPT N5 test video set that I've made. So go ahead and just search through all the hundreds of videos. It must be more than hundreds of videos. Maybe I'm at 1,000 already. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking. We got tsuyoi kaze ga blank imasu. And then you heard me say te because these are all in the te form. Tsuyoi means strong. It's an e adjective and it's going directly. It's an ad nominal for those of you out there who want to learn more about e adjectives. I got a packet for the $5 level. Tsuyoi kaze, so strong wind that is strong. Ga, that's the subject. And we have verbs in the te form followed by imasu. Frequently, when we have the te form going into imasu, we are doing a continuous, something that's happening right now, sort of a feeling, or something that's continuously happening. That's the general idea because it exists in a state of having begun doing this, is the idea. So let's go through these. You need to know your te forms apparently for the JLPT N5. Tsuyoi kaze ga blank imasu. So a strong wind is doing something. Notice the ga particle identifies the subject and it emphasizes what comes before this. So it's almost like we're answering the question, what is doing this verb? And we're saying, tsuyoi kaze is doing the verb. All right, so let's go through here. Fuite is the te form of fukimasu. So it's a group 1 verb. And I think we've done verb groups and a video somewhere. Group 1 verbs, and it's fuku, fukimasu. And when we have a ki sound in the stem or a ku sound in the group 1 verb, it turns in, we te form it by replacing that ku or the ki with an ite, fuite, unless it's the verb ikimasu. Ikimasu doesn't do that. Ikimasu turns into a small tsu te, and it means to blow. So that sounds like probably the exact correct answer. So sorry for the lack of suspense. Number 1 is the correct answer. Number 2, we have isoide. Isoide, the ide ending is for group 1 verbs again. This would be a gu. Ide, instead of ide, we'd have a gu here. So isogu, isogimasu. That's a group 1 verb, and it means to hurry, to be in a hurry, to hurriedly do something. The strong wind is hurrying. Doesn't quite mean what anything we'd want to say. Could you imagine the wind looking at its watch? Hurry, I have to get over there. And then in order to get there, it turns into a giant hurricane and blows down numerous buildings. That'd be terrible. Tonde. You might be tempted to say tonde because this is the nde is for bu, mu, and bu, mu, and nu verb endings. There's that I know of, and I've done extensive looking into this. There's only 2 verbs that end in nu, as in nut, nu, nu, and they both mean to die. This one is tobu, so it's the b sound. Tobu. So once again, bu, mu, and nu are the only ones that turn into ndes. Tonde is for tobu, tobimasu. Once again, it's a group 1, and it means to fly in general, to fly. So the strong wind is flying. You would probably be tempted to say that one possibly, but fuite is just so much better. And also, wind doesn't really fly, does it? It's not like your wind's going to take you to Japan, unless you're like Totoro or something. Tonari no tonde iru Totoro. I'll stop singing. Next, we have hashitte. This is the te form of hashirimasu, R-I-mas, hashiru, hashirimasu. Notice how it is a hashirimasu, and in the plain form it is a hashiru verb. So the ri turns into a ru. That means 9,000 times out of 9,001 times it is a group 1 verb, and that turns it into that makes, since it ends in a ru, and you see this small to te here, This is how we do group 1 verbs that end in u, tsu, or ru. How we turn those in the te form. We do a small tsu te. So instead of hashi ru, it goes hashi te. Okay, and that is to run. So the strong wind is running. The strong wind is flying. The strong wind is hurrying, or the strong wind is blowing. I think we figured out the correct answer. And there's not much else to say about this. I'll read it one more time. 強い風が吹いてます. The strong wind is blowing. We got some strong wind blowing, dog. Yeah. All right, this has been the Bald Wonder. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.